just want to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everybody out there, from our little homestead to yours. As you can see, whoops, I have the bathroom window wide open because, oh, that one over there, because it's so hot inside with the wood stove on. We're cooking our turkey and it is so hot. I've been mopping the sweat off me. The sweat's pouring right off me. And I had to come outside to get some fresh air. It's just so hot. And I had to put the off-grid range on too to cook my biscuits because my turkey's in the wood stove. But I'm just going to check for some more eggs and I'll show you the snow we've got here. We haven't had snow like this since we've been here on this property in 5 years. So Chris has been busy plowing snow. Got my 100 below boots on and my 100 below coat on, and let's just check on these guys. We're keeping them inside. It's pretty cold. Yep. Any more eggs, you bunch of freeloaders? Let me see. They're only laying in the top ones. They're not laying in the bottom ones at all, which is good because the roosters keep pooping on them. Oh, stop it already. Oh, gonna have to tack that up. You guys staying warm? Everybody's staying cozy. Somebody's behind the screen there. I'm gonna have to go get the stapler and tack that up. This pretty boy. I don't think he's the biggest, but he's a pretty boy. I think Chris wants to keep him. So this is something. This is a first. Happened to plow snowbanks. Chris had to plow a lot of it up there so we could turn around, and he has never had to make snowbanks like that before. Some up at the front by the gate too. Look how pretty the trees look, just covered in snow. I love it when it's like this. It's so beautiful. Everything's just so pretty. It's a little late in the day, so it's kind of shadowy, but I just love it when it's like this. So Chris had to get the driveway done a couple days ago because the propane guy had to come. And like I said, this is an absolute first. Having to plow snow out of the way like this. So, kind of interesting. Be interesting to see what the summer's like. And of course the trees up here all look so beautiful too. Covered in snow. It's been pretty darn chilly, but not as cold as it was a couple years ago when Chris first got sick. But still a lot of work. We had to buy some firewood. We didn't get enough firewood put away, so something we're gonna have to work on next year. We've got a big long list of things that need to be done this coming year. So I finally got to get some of my decorations out this year. I've got so many Christmas decorations, it's kind of ridiculous. But got quite a few things from my mom's house when I packed it up. She had millions of cardinals. She had a whole bin of cardinals because everybody was always buying her cardinals. Of course, I collect Barringtons. So, and I collect Frosty Friends. But there's my Mr. and Mrs. Santa Barrington. Only one I've ever seen. And Santa riding a polar bear. I'm not quite sure about that. But and I got to unpack and decorate the big tree this year. So I was pretty happy with that. Black, red, and silver was the theme this year. Chris has got tools in the living room too. Uh-oh, maybe somebody's here. I'm not sure. Anyway, pretty happy about getting the big tree out this year. and being able to decorate with something other than my little miniature tree. I was thinking about getting it out too, but we don't really have room right now. Could have put it back there somewhere if there wasn't so much junk, but Krista's got to get that heater installed right in the hole behind Mr. and Mrs. Santa. So, one of the things that has to be done this year.